Introduction to VPNs on Windows 10.
A virtual private network, or VPN, lets you create a secure connection to another network over the internet. Using a VPN on Windows 10 helps you protect your privacy, secure your data, and access content safely. This tutorial will guide you step by step through installing and setting up a VPN directly within Windows 10. No special technical background required.
Choosing a VPN service.
Start by selecting a trusted VPN provider. You can use a free or paid service depending on your needs. Most providers offer setup guides and will give you essential details like the VPN server name, your username, and a password. Keep this information handy before proceeding to the Windows 10 setup.
Adding a VPN connection in Windows 10.
Open the Windows settings by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings. Navigate to Network and Internet, then select the VPN tab. Click Add a VPN connection. Here, you'll enter the VPN provider, connection name, server address, VPN type, and your login info, using the details from your VPN provider.
Connecting to your VPN.
After saving your VPN profile, you're ready to connect. Go back to the VPN settings in the Windows menu. Click on your new VPN connection and select Connect. Enter your credentials if prompted. Once connected, you'll see a lock icon on your network connection, confirming your VPN is active.
Tips for a secure and easy VPN use.
For best results, always keep your VPN software and Windows 10 up to date. Disconnect the VPN when you no longer need it to maximize your internet speed. For regular use, add the VPN connection to your taskbar for quick access. Always verify your VPN connection before accessing sensitive information online.